A passenger frustrated over a missed flight, that's what this call looked like. Until she told officers herself that being arrested was the only way she'd feel safe.
I'm ready to get on the plane. I gotta be able to get 12:20. She gonna tell me I can't get on the plane. I've been on this plane already before this morning. Well, take me to jail. That secure my safety and secure my body.
Ma'am, can I talk to you?
Yes, I need the police.
This is the police.
Ma'am, we are the police. Ma'am, we are the police. Please do not call the police again.
It's May 22nd, 2024, at Orlando International Airport. A passenger has just been stopped on a restricted jet bridge. Moments after boarding a flight, she'd already been told she couldn't take. What makes this case unusual isn't the trespass itself. It's that the passenger didn't ask to leave, she asked to be arrested. That request sits at the center of three overlapping legal questions. And the first is the simplest one: did she actually trespass at all?
Is she being denied boarding? Is she being denied boarding?
Yes.
So she's being denied
I don't
boarding?
want to exit the plane.
Okay. So is she already on the plane?
Yeah, she just ran. She's not boarded. I didn't board her.
Is she on the jet bridge or is she on the plane?
Somewhere over there with the supervisor. I think that's probably her, right?
Which one?
Yeah. No, that's the supervisor. So she's talking to them.
Is she over there? Yeah, 9-2, we're on the jet bridge. Another day.
So towards the boarding, she just kind of ran past everybody, and it's a security breach.
Is she being denied?
Correct. Yeah, we
Made it all the way inside the aircraft. Yes,
So
it's
once
a
I
security.
told her, she finally came off when I mentioned no fly list, but she's very irate, sitting down there in the purple shirt. But we'll take her to the back.
I'm gonna refund her.
We'll give her a refund.
Yeah, she has to buy a ticket somewhere.
If not,
Hey dear. Ma'am? Ma'am? Hey, can we go up there and talk please so we can...
No, I cannot. I want my bag off this plane. You can take off $1,000.
9-2, can I get an airside
I
over here,
need my bag. You didn't let me board. You're not going to give me a refund. You're not going to send me out.
we are going to give you
I'm going to give you a refund.
please? So ma'am, can we go up there and talk at the counter so they can work on the computer to get you a refund? Ma'am, we have to clear this jet bridge so they can take off. Ma'am?
What's going on?
Right now, this jet bridge, are you guys in control of it or is going towards it?
it's still federal property, but as of right now, we have our team here, so technically Spirit's operating on this jet.
Because you guys are still attached to the plane.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you guys want to press charges for trespass after warning if she refuses to leave the jet bridge? Because I can't force her to go unless either you or Go would do it. Go ahead.
I don't think Spirit would want to do that.
Can you advise that this is going to be a security incident or a gate service?
Still, well, they're saying it's a security incident.
She breached the jet bridge without scanning. She ran right.
Oh, so she didn't scan.
No,
She's not standing
right now,
or anything.
she's
We're not
already
even sure
trespassed.
that this is her.
Yeah. For the longest time.
All right, ma'am. Can you fill me in on what's going on? Why are we here? What's going on?
I'm ready to get on the plane. I gotta be able to get 12:20. She gonna tell me I can't get on the plane. I've been on this plane already before this morning. I've been sitting there all day long.
Okay.
I do not want to go back on no other plane. I gotta be able to get 12:20 in the morning.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Because they're not even sure if you are who you say you are. Do you have ID on you?
All I have is a passport. I
Okay.
came from Costa Rica.
A passport is fine. Can I see your passport?
Disconnect the jet bridge with her in here because she could get injured.
Ma'am, can I see your passport? Yeah, hold on to this.
But we're past that now, and I don't want you to be trespassed by the airport. This is federal property. I don't want you to be charged for trespassing.
Yes.
So we really would like you just to make great.
I'm getting honest on
Can I
trespassing.
explain to you how this is all coming about? So the reason why this is coming about is because they said, according to the call we got, I don't know what happened, but according to the call we got, you came and went past them onto the jet bridge without showing your ticket.
It's a lie. I think they know what I got if I didn't show my ticket.
Okay.
She didn't even see my ticket.
Okay.
They got it right there.
Okay, so with that being said, being that you're saying that you did show them something, I don't want it to get to a point where they're going to deny you boarding, then they're going to trespass you from the airport. Now you can't even fly out of the airport. They're willing to take care of you, but you can't stay here. Because right now you haven't committed a crime technically. We're not involved yet. I don't want us to become involved because now if we become involved, that means
giving me a refund money is not on the same day. It's not going to give me back to
no, the manager just told you. Did you just not tell her that you would try to rebook her for another flight, or am I hearing stuff?
Not today.
Not
Based
today,
on the
okay.
circumstances, not today, but we will give her a refund so she can look at other airlines.
I have to go to work and sweat, please.
So here's the thing. Like I said, I don't want you to end up being banned from the airport. That's going to make the situation even worse. And I don't want that for you. Yeah, I just don't want her to get into any further issues than you do.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell her that I'll refund her myself. I don't want her to have to go through another bigger process and then have more problems.
So when she goes up there, can she go with you?
Yeah, I told her, come with me, I'll refund you myself.
Okay, thank you.
But if she doesn't come with me and then it goes to work, that's what I'm trying to explain to her. That if she voluntarily comes with me,
we can help her. Gotcha. Well, you're able to help her now. So
yeah, I'm gonna refund her everything.
Yeah.
Everything should pay for.
Yeah, she's over there.
And she does have to be escorted out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, sat down over there, so.
She's there.
Where'd she go?
But you're gonna refund her here, right?
Okay.
You don't need to do that.
Where did my partner go?
I'm saying that's why I'm asking that the way it has to be written.
I don't know nothing about your state.
Incorrect. 100% incorrect. A verbal warning is good enough.
I'm supposed to do because they secure my body. I don't know nothing about this state. And I stuck out.
No, but that's not the only option. You have other options.
No, I don't, because you just gave me a refund. It's going to take 3 to 5 days. All I have is $200 cash. I cannot find a last-minute flight to get back to Dallas.
Like I explained, man, we processed the refund for you.
Okay, well, take me to jail. They secure my safety and secure my body. That's the only way I can feel safe. I don't know nothing about your state. I don't know how to get back home.
Coleman. Like I said, at this point, you know.
Well, at this point, I'm not moving, and I don't got no way. I'd rather go to jail because I don't have no security on my body and myself. I don't know nothing.
Hear me out. If you end up going to jail, guess what? Now you have to worry about a bond. How are you going to get out with the bond?
I would get out.
Hold on.
I would secure my safety. I'm in a.
Can you listen to me for a second? You're going to have to worry about the bond. You're also going to have to worry about getting to another airport because now they're going to ban you from the airport. You're going to have to worry about another airline because you're not going to be able to fly the same airline. So
I'm not worried about that. I don't even got enough money to get a last minute flight. Do you know how much last minute flights is? I already tried $528, which I don't have no more $200 cash, and you gonna give me my money in 3 or 5 days. I don't have nowhere to go.
Okay.
I don't have nowhere to stay. I don't know nobody in this state.
And we're right here. Just talk to us right here. You don't have to go. Okay? So, well, as of right now, right, they are refunding your money. Okay?
It don't go back
Can
on
you
the
stop for a
floor.
second?
Florida Statute Section 810.09 criminalizes entering a restricted airport area. Officers on this body cam describe the jet bridge beyond the ticket scanner as exactly that kind of area. The passenger disputes running past staff, but her own account still places her beyond the scanner unchecked. That alone establishes probable cause for trespass, regardless of who's right about the ticket. Whether her ticket was actually scanned doesn't change that conclusion. Trespass turns on presence in a restricted zone, not on payment or ticket status. The second issue begins the moment an officer gives her a direct verbal trespass warning. Under Florida law, once someone is warned to leave restricted property and refuses, that refusal becomes its own offense. On the recording, she's told plainly that staying could get her banned from the airport entirely. She responds by stating she isn't moving, turning a refund dispute into a criminal refusal to comply. That refusal alone satisfies Florida statute, section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence.
Can you stop for a second? I'm explaining to you that all we have to do is go back to the land.
Daddy, I'd rather go to jail at her and then I'm gonna give you, I'm just give my and go, get me out of jail because this is crazy. I don't got nowhere to go and they keeping me in here.
All you gotta do is leave.
That's all they need. Somebody refund the car. Daddy, I don't got no money for $200.
Are you okay if I talk to him for just a moment?
I'm stuck out here, Daddy. I'm just stuck. I found a Greyhound bus. That's still 500 something damn. Everything $500.
Can I talk to him for you?
Tell me when he's done.
That's why I told him to do the rest of me. They told me it's different options. No, it's not. I'm in the state by myself and I don't know where I'm at.
You can fill that out later. That's what I'm trying to say. You don't need that. As long as she refuses right here, I'm good with it.
I want to get you to the main terminal. Can I speak to your dad? Can I speak to him? Is it okay?
That's 911.
Ma'am, can I talk to your dad?
Yes, I need the police.
This is the police.
We are the police.
Why did you not? But you're not taking me to jail because I'm in the state that I don't know where to go and take me to jail. And you're not
trying to help you out. Can I talk to your dad real quick?
Ma'am, we are the police. Please do not call the police again. Okay?
Can you just gather your stuff and we'll go ahead and walk to the main terminal?
I'm not moving. Don't worry. I'm not moving.
Hang on in this case. I'm not going to keep going back and forth. I'm trying to help her as best as I can.
You've already done it.
I'm in Orlando, Florida, Dad. I don't have no way to go. I don't got nothing but $200 cash. I'm telling, that's why I keep telling them I'd rather go to jail. I don't know nothing about this state. I don't have enough money. All I got is $200 cash and everything is $500 and up. My refund is coming 3 or 5 business days. You took my computer, you took my belongings already. Okay. I tell you, I have to do all that. And they're grabbing me. Hey, you stop. You don't have to do all that.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
No one got two. All right, slow down. I have both their legs. I got both of them.
All you have to do is put your hands behind your back. You don't have to do all that.
We gave you the opportunity to leave.
Let me go. You're about to break my glasses. Can you stop?
Stop resisting. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not resisting.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Let me go and I'm going to let you. I'm going to put it on. Hey, I'm going to put it on. Hey, I'm going to put it on.
Don't you
I just sitting up and grabbing me all kind of ways.
You got her?
Yes.
Listen to me.
Can I get on
You're going
the
to
ground?
listen to me.
Can I get on the ground?
You are going
please?
straight to the ground. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, can I go to the ground, please? Can I go to the ground?
Sit on your butt.
Okay,
Sit on your butt. On her butt.
Hey, I'm going to
On your butt. On your butt.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I'm not even resisting. You don't have to do all of that. All you have to do, Sarah, ask me, can you go to the ground?
Kick your legs out.
Say what's your name?
I'm asking that they just being resistant, and I told him all I asked them, can they just take me to jail, and they just did all this for nothing, so it can make it seem. And you being recorded by people too.
I'm being recorded by my body camera.
Okay, so
Stretch your leg out all the way.
okay, can you just get my glasses? That's all I care about. That's it. Thank you.
The third and most serious issue arrives during the takedown when the passenger bites a responding officer. Florida statute section 843.01 reclassifies resistance as a felony the moment it turns violent. A bite that breaks skin meets that threshold on its own, no matter how minor the dispute began. Separately, Florida statute section 784.07 applies directly to battery against a law enforcement officer. That statute doesn't require serious injury, only intentional contact directed at an officer doing a lawful duty. Together, these two statutes mean the bite converts a terminal dispute into felony-level exposure within seconds. This raises the tactical question of whether the officer's response was proportionate once resistance turned physical. That standard comes from Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. It judges force from the officer's perspective on scene, not with 20/20 hindsight. Once she pulled away and then bit an officer, a controlled takedown falls squarely within that reasonable range. No strikes, no weapons, and no force beyond controlling her arms and lowering her to the ground appear on this footage.
Hey, how far are you out now?
Okay, I guess cross them okay.
She bit me pretty good. I gotta check that. Bye.
Go to the emergency room because you need to go get checked.
I feel like it's wet, so she probably broke skin.
Okay.
So I don't know.
I have AMR coming to double checks.
They go around because you're right in front of her feet, man. With everything that's happened after we gave you the refund with the officers,
let me go to that
I just need to let you know that you will be going on the
Yeah,
Spirit.
she just got me in the thigh.
I just need to let you know.
I'm pretty sure
You
she
will not
broke
be able to
skin.
fly with Spirit
Gotta take off my
Airlines
things.
Thank you.
We're gonna get into a car. That's it.
Great.
Yep. Let's go.
Ready?
All right, just stand up, man.
Yeah, we'll get her in the car once we get over there. She said she don't walk. She don't walk on her sprayer.
Is that mine?
Let's go there.
I'm not resisting. I'm asking was that my stove?
We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go that way.
As I'm resisting, I'm asking is that my brown bag?
Hey, you got a lot of questions for someone who breaks the
I'm
law.
asking is that my brown bag? Did you get my stuff out of me?
What made you think you could board the plane without a ticket?
I got a ticket. It's in
You
there.
didn't scan your ticket.
I skipped it. The lady with the curly hair.
Camera not scanning your ticket.
She's going on the other side. Okay, stand right here for me. Spread your legs. Spread your legs, ma'am. Thank you.
That's a diaper. That's not your provision. That's all. That's what the thing.
All right, ma'am. You step inside this vehicle.
Dang, they don't even do this.
All right, ma'am. Is that bud?
There's also a third party whose conduct shaped this outcome, the Spirit Airlines ground staff. Their offer to refund her only if she left voluntarily added pressure, but airlines aren't obligated to rebook a missed boarding. Where their conduct becomes relevant is the shifting explanation about same-day rebooking, which added confusion at the worst possible moment. Grading the officers, this encounter earns a B. They exhausted verbal warnings and used only the force necessary once resistance turned physical and violent. Grading the passenger, this is a D+. A valid refund complaint doesn't excuse ignoring a lawful trespass warning or biting an officer during an arrest. Grading the airline staff, this is a B-. The refund offer was reasonable, but inconsistent messaging about rebooking added avoidable friction to an already tense situation. So when does frustration with a company cross the line into a criminal act against the people trying to help? First, once an officer gives a clear verbal trespass warning, continuing to refuse is a separate crime on its own. Second, physical resistance, including biting, pushing, or grabbing, turns a misdemeanor into a felony the instant it happens. Third, requesting arrest doesn't grant permission to resist it. Compliance and custody are two separate legal obligations. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.